Hey guys, welcome to my channel. You know, it's your girl Trecia. Today I'll be cooking for you guys my barbecue pork, my honey barbecue pork. Guys, it's delicious. Guys, trust me, just follow my recipe. And if it is that you don't like it, comment down below. If you don't love it, can done, comment down below, guys. Guys, if you have not yet subscribe to my channel, please hit that subscription button down below. Like up the video, people. Give me a thumbs up, guys. Let me know whether or not you like the content. Alright guys, let's get straight into this. So here I have my pork, my beautiful pork, guys. I'm gonna be washing the pork now with some lime juice, right? So yep, I'm gonna be washing the pork real quick with some lime. Lime like the old people. You can wash it with vinegar or lime, whatever you have. I'm washing it thoroughly with some lime. And before I came on camera, I washed the pork about 2 or 3 times, you know. But I love to wash my pork a lot of times. Can't wash it too much. So after washing the pork, guys, the next step that I'm gonna be doing, I'm gonna be seasoning my pork, right? And I use, if you know me, I don't use powder seasoning unless it's meat seasoning or, you know. But for my garlic, I usually use the, you know, the original. Use why am I babbling? The powdered seasoning. So I have 6 cloves of garlic or 7, and I'm going to be grating the garlic. Guys, you can blend them up if you wish, right? But I'm grating them right now. But if you don't have these and you only have the powder seasoning, you can use it. Go right ahead. But I'm using my cloves of garlic. It's about 7 cloves of garlic, guys. Guys, me I tell you no sweet so that's 6 cloves of garlic. Not gonna use all of this. I'm gonna use about half head of ginger. The ginger make everything smell better and smell nice, I tell you. Already went ahead and wash and unfold of dry thyme. Guys, everything is natural. There's a natural mystic flowing through the air. So next, guys, I have my pepper. Pepper lover. I had a piece of onion, and if it is that you have your scallion, use it, right? I don't have any scallion, so I'm gonna have a piece of onion. And good old Easyspice. Can't go wrong with it, Mr. Nice, Mr. Spice. So I'm gonna use 2 sachets of Easyspice pork seasoning. And guys, I've been cooking for a very long time, so I know the amount, right? You know, when you cook, you know, no measurement no needed. But if I should guess, I would think that the Easyspice, the smallest sachet is about 2 tablespoons. So it would be about 4 tablespoons in all, guys. So that's 4 tablespoons of pork seasoning, or rather 2 sachets of Easyspice. The next step, guys, gonna add just a little bit, not much, you know, a whole Maggi all purpose, just a little bit, probably 1 tablespoon. That's it. Then, guys, I am going to add, remember it's barbecue pork, you know, guys, my original Kraft barbecue sauce. And this is not the final sauce that I'm gonna use. I'm gonna mix it up and, you know, make a difference to it, guys. But to keep everything combined and marinated, I'm going to be adding a little bit of this for now. But I'm gonna be, you know, taking it over the top tomorrow, and you're gonna see how. Right, guys, now I'm massaging the pork, guys. That was about 4 tablespoons a barbecue sauce. And what I am doing, guys, ensuring that all of the seasoning is everywhere. I'm rubbing it up, guys, rubbing it up. Right? And what I realize is that when you had the barbecue, or rather some of the barbecue sauce from now, guys, to allow the meat to marinate, what would happen is that the meat, it bakes more tenderly, guys. It, you know, locks in the moisture. I'm gonna show you guys what this is looking like right now. It's beautiful, guys. So, guys, this is what the meat is looking like right now. Isn't it beautiful, guys? Oh, I forgot one ingredient. I'm gonna add it in, and those are my pimentos. I'm gonna put about 6 to 8 pimentos, guys. And guys, I'm gonna allow this to marinate for 24 hours, and I'm gonna show you what it looks like tomorrow. So, guys, I'm going to be showing you now how I make my honey barbecue sauce. And guys, it's very easy. When I'm adding the same Kraft slow simmered original barbecue sauce, and just squeeze out a little bit. This is about, now I want enough, you know, that's about 6 tablespoons, or enough to coat your meat, guys, just enough to coat your meat. I'm gonna be adding some brown sugar, right? It's about 3 tablespoons of brown sugar. I'm gonna be adding next some apple cider vinegar. You want a little taste for it. Next, I'm gonna be adding about 2 tablespoons of honey. It tastes good. This is what it is looking like. So this is my barbecue sauce. If you want, I can tip a little bit of browning in it, but for now I'm gonna let it remain just like this. So, guys, it is now the following day. The meat has been marinating now for 24 hours. Guys, it's looking beautiful. It's looking really great. What I'm going to be doing now, I'm going to be transferring the meat in the baking container. I'm going to allow it to sit in the oven at 180 degrees Fahrenheit for 45 minutes. Then I'm going to take it out and I'm going to baste it with my special So guys, this is what it's looking like right now. I gave it 1 hour in the oven instead of 45 minutes because the slices are so big, guys. I'm going to be draining out the excess water, base it, and then give it another 30 to 45 minutes. Stay tuned, guys. So guys, I don't know if you can see, but I drained out the excess liquid. I'm going to be basting it now in my barbecue sauce. And it's kind of dark, really forgive me, but it's really dark, guys. The rain has been falling. What you did not see, guys, because I forgot to show you, I show you how I made the sauce. I also placed some of the excess grated juice from the pork in. This is what it's looking like, guys. I'm gonna put it in the oven just for a little bit longer. Soon finish. So guys, this is the finished product. This is what the honey barbecue pork is looking like after 2 hours. Yes guys, 2 hours. I ended up giving it an extra 15 minutes because it wasn't as soft as I wanted it to be. Guys, it's beautiful, and I must say I tasted a piece of it and it was absolutely delicious. Guys, if you could just see it in person, guys, it's glistening. Guys, thank you so much for tuning in. This is my version of my honey barbecue pork, honey barbecue baked pork. If you have not yet subscribed, please hit that subscription button down below. Please give this video a like. Please share, guys. Get it out there. Cook with Trecia every Sunday, no?